Hey, it is Mitchell, and today we are going to unbox the Litra torch, or the Litra torch. For those that have been following my channel for a while, you would know that prior to this, I used to use the Lume Cube, and the Lume Cubes are Litra's biggest competitor. I recently lost my Lume Cubes, so I had these sent to a friend of mine in Bangkok on a recent trip. What's up, guys? My name is Mitchell, and if you're new to my channel, I do videos about tech, the gear I use to create videos here on YouTube, and occasionally Adobe Premiere and Adobe Lightroom tutorials. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Litra torch, talking about some of its features and what I will be using the Litra torch for. So let's just jump into it. I actually bought two of these. One of them I already unboxed, and the packaging for the item is pretty nice. It's pretty plain. We have a little illustration on the side with the parts of it. Now, what's in the box? We have the torch, the diffuser bulb, the belt clip, a silicone sleeve, and a GoPro adapter along with the USB cable. Now, I already cut this just to make it easier. The quick start guide has some of the material about how to use everything in it. We have some pretty simple packaging. Now this is the Litra torch itself. As you can see, it's got an array of LEDs as opposed to the one LED that the Lume Cube has. Nice heft. We have a silicone diffusion bulb, and this is primarily how I'm going to be using this for my home studio setup, or my portable studio setup. This gives you a slightly more diffused light source. I'm actually using one right now. We have a silicone case skin type of thing. It is important to keep in mind that these devices do get hot, so if you plan on using them for a while, the silicone skin might make it a little bit easier to handle. We have the GoPro quarter 20 to GoPro adapter that attaches here or on the back. Now, on the back, we also have a magnet. We have a belt clip. Now, I don't think I would ever actually use this, but we do have a very nicely engineered included belt clip. We have a small micro USB cable. I wish it was USB Type-C, but and that's it. That's in the Litra box. Now you tap this thing once, low power. Again, high power or medium power. And then a third time maximum power. At maximum power, it's 800 lumens. So not quite as powerful as the Lume Cube. Tap it one more time. It'll have a 1 second strobe. Hold, it's off. So that's what's in the box. I'm going to give you guys an updated video in a couple weeks about using these and what my experience has been so far. I hope you guys enjoyed the brief unboxing of the Litra torch. And if you have questions or things that you would like to see in the upcoming video review of the Litra torch, go ahead and drop them in the comment section down below. Until next time, it's been Mitchell coming to you from Hanoi. Peace.